Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You will begin with essentials. Confirm your iPhone runs iOS 16 or later and your car is CarPlay enabled. Next, accept the developer test flight invitation sent to your Apple ID. This registers the device for the beta. Once done, install TestFlight, open the specific app build, and tap Install. You're starting the testing flow now. This step grants the app the entitlements needed to appear in CarPlay, so make sure the invite matches the Apple ID on your phone. You need to connect and enable the build. Go to Settings, General, CarPlay, and confirm your vehicle is listed. Then connect by USB or pair wirelessly. Allow new apps and permissions when prompted. Open TestFlight and launch the installed build. Make sure you select the CarPlay-capable mode inside the app if required. While testing, watch for console logs or crash reports in TestFlight. These details tell you why a screen won't render or why CarPlay denied permissions, so capture them. Finish by running full in-car flows, navigation, audio, and UI transitions, and submit feedback in TestFlight with steps and screenshots. If the app shows a blank screen or fails to appear, restart your iPhone and the head unit, then repair the devices. Many entitlement or CarPlay handshake issues clear that way. If problems persist, collect crash logs, note exact steps and timestamps, and send them in the TestFlight feedback so the developer can reproduce and fix the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.